and I'm going to be continuing on here talking about the Mac OS X and the Mac introduction for Macintosh computer. I'm going to show you how you can easily switch if you have more than one program open. Sometimes you might have 2, 3, or 4. How you can easily switch between the programs just by using a couple of keyboard shortcuts. All you got to do is you hold down the Apple. While holding down the Apple, you press the Tab key, and voila, you have all the programs that are open that you can easily access just by tapping the Tab key, and it'll scroll through the programs you have open. You can also go backwards if you have a lot of programs open and you want to get back to, go back to ones towards the beginning that you have to access. You hold down the Shift key and the Apple key together, and while you're holding those down at the same time, then you just tap the Tab key and it'll go back to the other side. So, very simple, very handy. So I can easily go between Photoshop to my system preferences to the iTunes.